Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of Telfar. So I ordered a Telfar tote and I was actually intrigued by this for a few months now. And then I saw that Jessie Style, if you don't follow her, go and check her out. She did an unboxing, a reveal of the mini Telfar tote. So I was like, you know what, and I was paying attention to the site as well, like for a couple of weeks, because they have like weekly drops, and I was just waiting for a color that spoke to me. And so yeah, I went for it. So I'll just share with you. This actually arrived by DHL, and it took not very long for it to get to me, actually, like a couple of days. I didn't have to pay customs or duty, so I'm in Canada and this is coming in from the States. So I didn't have to pay customs or duty, but I paid in US dollars, so obviously I had to, you know, pay the exchange. I don't exactly remember the exact cost of what I paid, but I'll insert it as I go along. I get my packing slip. Oh, okay. I ordered the shopping bags. And I actually ordered two. So I ordered a large and I ordered a small. I ordered a small, just either I'll keep it or I'll keep it as a gift for somebody. And then I ordered a large for myself. So the large retails for 257 US dollars and the small retails for 150 US dollars. So if I'm gonna get a tote, I'm gonna go big or go home. But this is how it arrives. Oops. That's the small, that's where it goes on the floor, but let's open the big one first. So there's a large Ziploc bag, which I will repurpose. I'll probably use this bag to fold in some of like my bulkier Indian outfits, because I like to just store them in bags. So I will be repurposing this. Who else repurposes packaging? Any boxes I get, like nice boxes, you know, like from Louisa V. Aroma or my Teresa, or Matches Fashion, I always repurpose their boxes to store other things like flip-flops, gloves, hats, and things like that. So here we go. If you can tell, you can peek the color. It's like a bubblegum pink color. This is not on purpose. And we'll get into this later, but anyway. Okay, let's get this dust bag off. So here is the tote. It's pretty large. You can see the dimensions are on the website. There is some desiccant that is actually stuck to the bag. Maybe I can use that for something. Yeah, so here's the retail tag. This is kind of like a debossed Telfar logo. And then right away, there's like a Velcro bit here that holds the straps. So there are two long straps. I'll insert mod shots as I go. Okay, so I'll model this on me so you can see how it looks. And then there are two handles here, which are top handles. And then there's a magnetic snap button that snaps this guy shut. And inside there is textile lining. Okay, and then there's a large zip compartment on one side here, and then on the other side there's like a slip pocket here. Okay, so this is large. Why did I go for a Telfar tote? Okay, so this is a bougie tote. Okay, it's not luxury expensive. It is expensive, but it's not like thousands of dollars. Okay, there's a lot of hype around these bags for a couple of months now, because they have like weekly drops apparently on the website of different colors. So this is the largest size, and they have a medium size, and then they have the smaller size, which I will show you in a bit. But these are like, they sell out apparently really quickly on the website, and a lot of people have issues even adding things to cart. The website freezes and stuff like that. Now, I haven't encountered that actually. So when I saw, you know, as I was tracking it, like, you know, I'll just like go onto the website, see what the new drop is. Usually they drop around Thursday at noon or Friday at noon, it depends. And then they'll give you a preview of what color's coming. So I think that's really nice, because then at least you have some idea of, you know, what you want. So they had like a green color, they had like a really like neon green color at one point, and I was kind of like, that seems quite nice, but I thought I'll just hold off. And then I saw this bubblegum pink color come up about, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna, pay attention to this. And I had my laptop open, at work, and then around 12 o'clock, actually right at 12 o'clock, I was able to check, like I had time, so I was able to check, and I was able to easily add this to cart and check out. There was no issues with freezing or anything like that. But shortly after, I saw that everything was sold out. So, I guess it is really popular. But I had no issues with logging in and adding to cart or anything like that. So perhaps people do encounter this, but it did sell out really quickly. And I remember even before I added this to cart, I just checked Fashion File. I just wanted to see what was happening. And this very tote was advertised for nearly double the price. So I thought that was really funny because it was available for sale, but then it was already being resold. It's a little bit funny, okay? So anyway, the reason why I'm bringing this up is I bought this is before I bought the book tote from Dior. I was always intrigued by the book tote, but I had some apprehensions about it being canvas and getting dirty, and also not necessarily being versatile in how you wear it, because it has just two top handles that aren't really long enough to put over your arm. So I did, you're gonna laugh, I mentioned this to a few people. So there's Sally Beauty Supply. I bought a curling iron from them a couple of years ago. And it was around Black Friday, and when you made a purchase, you get a free tote like this. Reusable tote. Okay, it's made out of, plastic, and then inside there's some cheap fabric, but there's like, a button closure, and there's like a little slip pocket, and the straps are nice and long that you can put it over your shoulder, okay? So I was like, if only the Dior book tote was like this and had the longer straps, like I would go for it. And I actually really do, like I still sometimes use this to put stuff in, like it's nice and deep, right? Which is what I like. It's a nice deep, bag. So nothing's really like spilling over. And what I would do is sometimes I would just put my handbag in here, and then like some clothes that I need for the day, and my handbag was safe. And in Canada, like we have really hot summers. When it rains, it pours, like it really does rain. And then in the winter time, there's precipitation and all that, there's snow and whatnot. So it just kind of protected everything. And it was good, just good in the car, okay? And I wanted like an elevated version of this free tote that I got. So I did end up getting the book tote from Dior, but we'll go over this here. So this is nice and deep as well. Like it's probably not as deep as this bag. Let's just see. These totes are so huge, like I can't even get them in the camera, but okay, so it's not as tall as the free tote that I got, but it's pretty deep, okay? And if I show you, like it's long, okay, and I'll do like mod shots as well. I do find these straps really long actually, so I'll probably, do something to them to make them shorter in some way, but I just like that this is like a nice tote to just have in the car. It's stylish. It's a beautiful bubblegum pink color. Some people use these as work bags, which I think is great. And if you're walking around in the city, you're protected. Like it's not gonna, your stuff isn't gonna get wet. You can put your nicer handbag inside. Now there has been some buzz with Beyonce recently. She released an album, and in the album, I haven't listened to this or the songs. I don't know the lyrics, but apparently people are alluding to the meaning behind what she said, where she is implying that Telfar is the new Hermes Birkin, which, I mean, it's a bit exaggerated, obviously, right? Like, it is not the same. Actually, I feel like this is the same color as mine. I don't know, this should be the thumbnail. but they're almost the same color. Well, I might step on a lot of people's toes by holding up the Birkin in the thumbnail, because people might think that I'm trashing this, which I'm not. I'm not bashing Hermes, okay? But you know, there are some people that seem to think I do so. But anyway, they are very similar in color. This is more purple, but I just think it's so funny because Beyonce made like a direct comparison, and I think the reason is because these were really hard to get online. I had no issues, but apparently they're really hard to get online, so she's alluding to the fact that this is more elusive than the Hermes Birkin. But I guess it's easier for somebody like her to say that, or other celebrities, because you know, they get handed these, or they have personal shoppers that get these for them. So a bit of an exaggeration, but I can see where she was kind of going with this, that, you know, people are really like reselling these. Obviously the price difference is very, very different, and obviously the materials are very different. So I'm not comparing the two, but I think she's just the exclusivity. That's what she's comparing. But it's hilarious because this can go right inside. So it's a bag for my Birkin. So if I wanted to wear this out in the city and all of a sudden it rains, I can just put this inside, because I don't know how to use the raincoat on this, guys. I think I'm gonna have to ask for somebody's help. I'm gonna have to look up some videos if anybody explains how to use the actual raincoat, or I can just ask the boutique. But yeah, it's in two pieces. Like, I don't know, it's weird. So anyway, so this is the tote. Now, the book tote from Dior, I have it here. As you can see, it's in its dust bag. I haven't used this at all. It's been sitting pretty and new since I bought it. I love it. I haven't had a chance to use it though. So I have an organizer and everything, so haven't had a chance to use it, but I think they're obviously very different. This, I think people use more as a beach tote. This can be used as a beach tote too, the Telfar tote, but I haven't used this before. But the thing is the handles are short. You can't wear it on your shoulder. This one is a little bit more, obviously, like weather resistant, and of course, like, price point is very, very different, and you know, you probably won't care as much if this gets ruined or dirty and you can wipe it down, whereas this one I would be a lot more precious with. So yeah, but I did try the on-the-go book tote. I don't think they call it a book tote. On-the-go tote from Louis Vuitton, and I've always loved the layout of that bag. I really love the structure of it, and I like that it has two top handles and then two long handles that are long enough to wear on your shoulder. Like, I really love that tote. The only hesitation I have with it is the giant monogram. So it's taken me a while to like monogram. I do like it in small pieces, and you know, in shoes I actually get a lot of use out of that, and they match with a lot of things. But the all over monogram and the giant monogram is what kind of gets me. If it was all over regular size monogram, okay, I can live with that. But I just don't like that giant monogram for some reason. That just what puts me off. But hopefully in the future they'll come out with something that's all over monogram. But I do really like it. There have been several price increases on it, so I know before it was better price, but now it's a lot more expensive. But it's not 100% what I want, but I love the functionality of that tote. So I like this. I feel like these straps are quite long though, and you'll probably see from the mod shots. So because this is like PU leather, I mean, what is this made? It's literally like, it's plastic, right? Or vinyl. Maybe I can have them shortened, right? I don't see why not. Or maybe I can kind of do this with like the Velcro or something that they gave and do something like that. But like, I just think it's something that's nice to tote around in, and no pun intended. Okay, so let's quickly open the small one again. Comes in a nice Ziploc bag, which I will repurpose. And this is the dust. The dust bags are actually quite nice. They're quite thick. And in here, oh my god, this is actually really small. But it's cute. This is tiny. Look, this is as big as my hand. But I have quite big hands. Like I have manly hands, but okay. But it's cute. I think it's really cute. And if you want something trendy and it's literally the size of those little cosmetic shopping bags that you get at Chanel. So this is the strap. It came with that Velcro bit too. And the straps are thinner, so they're not as thick as that. And it has like very similar, like it has a magnetic button on the inside. This is cute. It's really cute. I mean, you could carry it top handle, and these just kind of, I think they have to relax for a bit, but let's just kind of try it on. Let's see. Hey, it's cute, right? Like it's this little bag to put your card holder, keys, and then some. It can fit quite a bit, you know. And I guess it's one of those bags. Like, let's say if you wanted to go to like, I don't know, somewhere where you can get wet. You know, you want to be trendy. Like if you're gonna go to like, say like Niagara Falls, okay, and you're gonna be walking, and we all know that there's mist coming from the falls, so you get wet. So you don't want to take like your nice leather handbags there. And I guess if you want it to be trendy and you don't want to wear thing like this, I mean, this is a belt bag from Lululemon, which I really like. This is great for hiking. It fits a lot, and that's perfect for that sort of weather. But this, I mean, you know, you got something fun, right? It's cute, it's fun, and you know, it's trendy. But I think it's really nice. So it's got like the DBoss logo there. It's tiny though, like it's really small, but I mean, you can still fit, like you can probably put your phone in there. So you can put your phone. Can it fit sideways? Oh boy. Okay, it can fit sideways, okay, on an angle. It can kind of just stick up like that if you wanted to, so just an idea. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. And then your sunglasses. These straps are a little bit annoying, I won't lie. I think having the two is a bit annoying. If they just had it along the sides, it might be better, but that's just the look. But you can put your sunglasses, like you can put quite a few things in there just for easy access to just grab and go. But I think this is really cute. I think it'll make a really great gift, and that's why I ordered it, because I may use it, but I might give it as a gift. So, but that's the mini version. So this is great if you just want like an easy tote that's a little bit more substantial than the free totes that you usually get. This has a bit more heft to it. It does, if you know, feel like better made than obviously like the free totes that you get, right? But it's a shopping tote, and you can put other handbags inside, and they're kept safe. You can put your laptop, you can put all sorts of things inside. Like it's just a big Mary Poppins bag. Sometimes, you know, with the fact that like we're getting back into, you know, routine and we're having social events again, sometimes you got to run from work somewhere and you got to change at work before you go out. So it's nice to just have like a big bag that you can just throw everything in, like your shoes, your outfit, and you know, a clutch or something like that that you can change into. You can put your makeup bag in here and all that stuff. So yeah, I think this is definitely something that if you are, if for that sort of purpose, if you're looking, this is a great bag. And it's trendy, it's, you know, it's hip. Go for it. Yeah, so log in, check out what color you like, and you can get one. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I'll see you next time.